Welcome to Englishurdish. Vocabulary for kids. Party vocabulary. In this video you will learn party preparation items, items on the party table, party action words, streamers, confetti, bunting, sparklers, tinsel, disco ball, balloons, balloon pump, birthday cap, candles, matchbox, ribbons, invitation cards, party caps, party horns, party mask, drum kit. On the party table, cake, a piece of cake, candy jar, sweets, pudding, apple pie, chips, cookies, lollipop, chocolate, lemonade, ice cream, donut, jelly, marshmallow, presents, party action words. Annie is blowing up the balloon. Children are decorating the living room. Awesome is chatting with his friends. Tina blows out the candles on her birthday cake. The children mask their faces for the party. The clown is juggling with 4 balls. Children are really delighted. Everyone is having fun at the party. Children are clearing up the mess after the party. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.